Wanna know how to win Paladins without aiming? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide and I'm going to explain you and give you some tips on how you can easily win it. So, it's about using your presence and not your swords to control the space. As a tank, you stand in a sideline to block it. As a support, you position where the enemy has to go through your team to reach you. So aiming is usually for duels and for attacking Zorni. So winning is for strategists. Stand where you force enemies into bad fights. You need to re-aim enemies into bad fights. So a Fernando holding an off angle does not need kills. He makes the DPS waste time. Your body is a weapon. So use it to cut the map in half. This way he'll defend it as well and you can easily win it. A Fernando or Jaguar holding an aggressive controlling position on a map is like Jaguar Falls, zoning two enemies while its team captures the point. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.